scratches, swirl marks, dull paint? This tool can make your car look brand new in minutes. Today we're reviewing the best car polisher that removes scratches, restore shine, and give professional results at home. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher Kit BUF503X is an all-in-one solution for anyone struggling with dull paint, swirl marks, or light scratches on their vehicle. Over time, cars lose their shine due to oxidation, dirt buildup, and improper washing techniques, but this complete 9-piece polishing kit is designed to restore that showroom finish with ease. Powered by a 700W motor and 8mm random orbital throw, the TORQX polisher delivers smooth, controlled performance that is safe for beginners while still powerful enough for professionals. It effectively removes swirls, scratches, haze, and oxidation, bringing back depth and gloss to your car's paint, clear coat, headlights, and even wheels. The ergonomic design and balanced weight make it comfortable to use for extended detailing sessions without fatigue. In real-world use, you can quickly transform a faded surface into a glossy, like new finish using the included pads, compounds, and polishes. No need to purchase extra accessories. Key advantages include ease of use, professional-grade results, complete starter kit convenience, and versatile application across multiple surfaces. While it may take a bit of practice to master perfect polishing technique, the learning curve is beginner-friendly. This kit is ideal for car enthusiasts, DIY detailers, and professionals who want a reliable, all-in-one polishing system to achieve high-quality results at home. Thanks for watching the video.